Need a minimum of 30 grams of protein, typically from animal sourced foods or high quality protein to stimulate muscle tissue. If you choose to eat plant proteins, let's pick soy or chickpea, or my favorite is quinoa. That's 1,100 calories in 6 cups of quinoa at one time to stimulate your muscle. Have some whey protein, you get 128 calories. If you are gonna have chickpea or soy, look at the calorie difference for the amount of protein that you need, 300 to 600 calories.
Okay, I'm not even vegan, but these comparisons between animal and plant proteins is entirely illogical, and I'm sure Dr. Gabrielle will acknowledge that. Time school. First of all, she mentions plant proteins like soy or chickpea, then chooses to talk about quinoa, which is not even a protein source. Quinoa is over 70% carbohydrate, so why on earth would you use that to make plant proteins look inferior? 1 cup of tofu, seitan or tempeh is over 20 grams of protein. Then she mentions whey protein, which is a powder, and compares it to soy or chickpeas, which are whole foods. Once again, why don't you compare like for like, for example, a soy protein isolate? This is why in meta-analyses of 9 controlled studies, we see that soy protein produces similar gains in strength and lean body mass compared to whey. And when you equalize protein intake on a vegan or omnivorous diet, we see in multiple studies, no difference in strength or muscle gains either. So as someone who eats meat every single day, I just don't understand the need to make animal protein sound far more superior when it's very easy to meet your protein needs on a vegan diet. Class dismissed.